Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 27. This skill is all about participating in IT walkthroughs to identify and evaluate key organizational risks. Your primary goal is to find hidden vulnerabilities, and you do this collaboratively by walking through systems with the client's operational team. The biggest trap junior consultants fall into is guessing what the problem is, rather than investigating the actual, day-to-day process on the ground. The fix is following a strict 4-step process: participate actively, identify the gaps, document them clearly, and evaluate their severity. There are 3 main types of walkthroughs you will use. A transaction walkthrough involves following a single piece of data, like a customer order, from start to finish. A process walkthrough is broader, reviewing a multi-step business workflow that involves multiple departments, like employee onboarding. A system walkthrough evaluates specific IT infrastructure and controls, such as reviewing the disaster recovery setup. Regardless of the type, your goal is always to map the real-world reality against what the theoretical design says should be happening. As you find risks, immediately document them using a risk register. This is just a central spreadsheet used to log every identified threat. Ensure you write clear descriptions using the cause, event, consequence format so there is no ambiguity later. Next, evaluate those risks using a risk matrix, plotting each item based on its potential business impact versus its likelihood of occurring. You must prioritize the red zone. Focus your immediate mitigation planning on the high-impact, high-likelihood risks. For your portfolio, use this STARR example. Situation: the client's daily data backup process was highly inefficient and prone to failing. Task: I needed to identify the exact bottlenecks and vulnerabilities within the workflow. Action: I demonstrated S27 by facilitating a system walkthrough with the IT admins, identifying single points of failure, and logging them in a formal risk register. Result: the high-priority risks were highlighted via a risk matrix, allowing the team to mitigate them before a data loss occurred. Reflection: I learned that gathering hard evidence through walkthroughs is far superior to forming unverified technical opinions. If you are executing your major project, S27 is essential. The requirement is that your project must contain a dedicated risk assessment chapter. To ensure that you run formal walkthroughs during your initial discovery phase to uncover the real business problems. To include your fully populated risk register and risk matrix in the appendix as hard evidence of your work. Why? Because this proves your analytical and investigative capabilities to the EPA assessor, showing you operate at a professional consulting level. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPAHUB. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.